Okay, in the last video we have set up our environment for the HTML, and in this video we will see heading tags in the HTML. So I will just create new file and name it heading.html. Now in that we will need some basic structure of web page. Okay, and to use heading tags, actually we have six HTML has 6 heading tags. Okay, h1 to h6. Okay, and to use that we have to type h1 tag open and just close the h1 tag, and whichever text you want to display in h1 tag, just insert this text inside this tag. So I will write this is in h1 tag and save it, and open your folder and open the heading file, and you will see that the normal text, I mean the size of the font size has been increased compared to the normal text. So this is because this is in h1 tag. So what if we want to decrease the size little bit? So we have another tag h2 and type text inside that. This is h2 and save it, refresh, and you will see that font size has been reduced. Okay, so similarly HTML has h6 up to the h6 tag. So this is h3. I will write continuously up to the h6. This is h4. This is h5, h6, this is h6, and save this and refresh your browser, and you will see that the size has been reduced as the number goes increasing, h6. So that's it for the heading tags.